In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload emails in Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing HTML email into Brevo and save it as a reusable template for your campaigns. First, open your browser and go to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign in with Google. Select your Google account to continue. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace or brand if you manage more than one, and never share your credentials on screen. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head to the marketing area in the top navigation. This is where Brevo keeps the tools for campaigns and templates. Inside marketing, look for templates and open it. Then choose Create Template to start a new one. This will set up the framework for your email. Begin by giving your template a clear, descriptive name. Consistent naming, like including the purpose and date, will make it easy to find later. Next, enter your subject line. Aim for something concise and compelling. Think benefit focused with about 40 to 60 characters. Avoid spammy phrasing in all caps. If you plan to use personalization, make sure your contact data supports it. Then add your preview text. This is the short snippet that appears next to the subject in the inbox, so use it to reinforce your main message or call to action. Keep it punchy and relevant. When those details look good, continue to the next step. On the content setup screen, choose Code Your Own. This option is perfect when you already have an HTML email designed elsewhere. Select Paste Your Code to open the HTML editor. Before you paste, a few tips. Make sure your HTML is mobile responsive, inline your critical CSS, use absolute URLs for images, and include required compliance elements like an unsubscribe link and mailing address. Keeping your code clean will help ensure consistent rendering across email clients. Now paste your HTML directly into the editor. Take a moment to scan for any missing assets or placeholder text you don't want to ship. If your template uses images hosted externally, confirm the links are correct. When everything looks right, choose Save and Quit. Brevo will store your template in your templates library, ready to use in campaigns or automations whenever you need it. That's it. You logged in, navigated to marketing, created a new template, added the subject and preview text, chose the Code Your Own option, pasted your HTML, and saved. Follow these steps each time you want to upload a new email design, and you'll keep your workflow fast, organized, and consistent.